My name is Severo Pampa Valencia. I am 33 years old. I am from Peru. I am a student. My birthday is in November. I can speak a little English. I like listening to music. I don't like noise. I bake undat 60 ham. My room has a bed, a desk and chairs. My favorite city is Arequipa. There is chol near me house. There are many shop in me town. The chol is next to the park. I like it, the live them.